Good afternoon.
Yes. So multiple times I think you would have seen my name coming and just vanishing sometime. I am really not sure why the 2 days that issue is there. Okay, anyhow, I have figured it out and we are able to connect at least now. So, yeah, sorry for that interruption, whatever it has happened. No worries. So let us quickly start with the Selenium part. I told you I will be starting Selenium with you guys, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have done with the Java, for my understanding. You have done with Java means pending of 2 chapters are there, which Kameshwari will be connecting with you guys from day after tomorrow, I guess. Not tomorrow also, day after tomorrow, and she will be continuing with that. So the next 2 days, I will try to connect with you guys and try to complete away the Selenium basic parts. And after that, she also will continue with the Selenium part. So now, to understand the basics of Selenium, have anybody heard about this keyword called Selenium?
No, sir. We heard about it, sir.
No,
Just
sir.
be a little bit louder,
No,
Bharat.
sir.
Yes? Or no?
We heard about it,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What do you understand? If anybody asks you about Selenium, what is your understanding?
Testing tools, sir. We can test the software by different ways, sir, as like functional as well as non-functional.
Okay. Any other updates?
To check the performance of the software, we
Tool,
can.
sir.
Okay.
It's a tool used for testing.
It is the?
Tool, sir.
Yeah. What type of tool? That is the question.
Automation tool.
Tool, sir.
Automation tool. Very good. So couple of
Yes, sir.
points I got is, one point is open source. Very good. Open source. Open source means anybody can download and install. Point one. Second, automation tool. Very good. What other points comes to your mind? I'm not able to hear your voice. I don't know whether I am audible to you all. Am I audible, team?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay, but you, from your end, I'm not able to see. Most of them have joined through mobile phone. I won't appreciate you guys joining through mobile phone. I don't know what is the reason behind that, but I don't want you to join because Selenium is the one which you cannot learn in mobile. Everyone who are there should be joining in your laptop or the desktop. Otherwise, you will not learn Selenium. In mobile, we cannot run Selenium. So today we will try to do that installation and get the configuration and understand the Selenium part. So I hope everybody are
Excuse me, sir.
everybody are having their personal laptop. I'll come to your concern, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, I guess
Can you-
everybody has your laptop. Yeah. Now you tell me. Somebody was calling me. What is that
Yeah, sir. So can you please share your mail ID in the chat box?
regarding?
Actually, I have issues logging in my PBL app, so that's
Okay.
why.
Okay, so we will figure it out. Not only you, many of them will be having that issues. I don't know why you are asking me now. It is a long back, right? It should have during the Java time also you are having the same issue, or now it is started.
Sir, actually, I was out of town and I wasn't attending the classes. That's why.
Okay. So what was that issue? I will discuss with you if you have only one afterwards, not now.
Okay,
You
sir.
can just
Okay.
afterwards you can connect to me later. So
Okay,
let
so
me
please
start
tell me,
now.
provide me the time, I'll do that.
Yes, let me first finish this. After completing the session, you can hold on. We'll continue and we'll try to close that one. Is that okay?
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
that is, I wanted to understand couple of things, your mail, your details, how are you accessing and all. You can just check that one later. So
Okay,
now,
sir.
yeah, coming to this automation tool, we were discussing about Selenium. Selenium is open source automation tool. So what is it is trying to automate? What it will try to automate? Any idea? What it will try to automate?
Test pages.
Yes.
Web pages, sir.
Test cases, sir.
Web pages, very
Testing.
good. Okay.
Test
So basically
cases, sir.
application, if I consider, right, it is trying to automate the application. When I tell application, there are two types of application, as you rightly told. One is web application, another one is what? What is another application?
Browsers.
No, that is web is browser-based application only. No,
Android. It's
Mobile
window-based
application.
application
Best
like
of nations.
calculator, notepad. These and all are window-based application. Web applications are what? Many web applications are there, right? Flipkart, IRCTC. Come on, tell me. I'm waiting for your answers.
PBL app.
PBL app. So all these are what? They are all web applications. So basically, application which opens through browser, we call that one as web application. Application which is opening through exe or without the browser, we call it as generally as window-based application. So the question comes here is, we got 2 points. One, it is open source, another is automation. Next is we got the application. Does it support all the applications? I mean, both the applications, whatever we discussed, answer is no. It supports only web-based application. Okay, so 3 points: open source, automation tool, it supports web-based application. Can somebody frame all these 3 things together and tell me one sentence? If somebody asks you what is Selenium, now you know the answer. Yeah,
Open source.
yeah, tell me loudly, ma.
Selenium is an open source tool that automates the web-based application.
Very good. So you got the answer. What is Selenium? You guys are telling me the answer. So Selenium is an open source automation tool for web applications. So basically it is dedicatedly used for web applications only. So that is the main point which you need to understand. Okay. So now if I wanted to work with this web application, okay, you told me all the positive points. It supports web application. Negative points, by now you know one negative points. The one negative point, or I can put it in another way. Let us find out the pros and cons of it. We understood what is Selenium. Why do we need the Selenium? To automate the web application. We also got that. Let us see some pros and cons of Selenium now. Okay. So what does that pros and cons? Pros, we already know. It is open source. That is very big plus point for us, right? Open source in the sense what?
Available for
each and everyone.
resource.
Yes, that is one of the biggest plus point. We no need to
Available
pay for it. That is a very good point. Any other plus points? Anybody is aware of it?
Sir, it is a
Okay. When we
user-friendly
talked about, yeah.
tool with the.
Sorry, come again.
It is a
Once again.
Friendly tool, sir.
User-friendly
It's a user-friendly tool, sir, for testing.
Okay, but that is true, but it cannot be as a strong point to tell the pros of Selenium. I agree with that, user-friendly. Apart from that.
So bugs can be removed, sir.
Bugs can be removed is not this automation tool. It is not used to remove the bugs. It is automating. Try to understand what do you mean by automation. Okay. I think I should tell that point also. What is the difference between automation? Okay, let me see that later. Okay. First, you tell me these points. Whatever we are discussing. Okay, good that you guys are telling something related to the topic. Go ahead. Next. Anything else?
Time will save, sir.
Huh?
Time will save, sir.
It saves time. Okay.
Multi-browser support.
Very good. What is that? Come again.
Multi-browser support.
Fantastic. Yes, it supports multiple browser. That is one of the another plus point of this tool. Okay. So the pros, we saw it is open source. Second, we saw SOURC open source. Second, what we told, multiple browser it will support. What I mean by multiple browser?
It support Windows, Mac, Linux, all the operating
That is
systems.
not browser.
That is
Windows is a browser.
one Selenium script for many all browsers, sir.
No, it is not like that. I'm telling multiple browser. Multiple spelling may be
It
wrong.
can be used in
What do you understand by multiple browser? You try to tell me first.
Chrome, Firefox.
Chrome,
Internet
Firefox,
Explorer, Mozilla
Point here.
Firefox.
So it supports
Microsoft Edge.
Chrome browser automation. It supports
Microsoft Edge.
Firefox browser automation, Edge browser, IE browser. Okay, Opera, very good. So like that, multiple browser it is supported, which is not there in any of the other competitive tools available in the market. So I'm going to give you one task. What are the competitive products of Selenium? That you can tell me later. 4 o'clock like that, I will let you know sometime. You need to give it to me. Now let me finish something. So point I was telling is it supports multiple browser and it also supports multiple environment also. You can install in Macintosh operating system. You can install in Windows operating system. So that is another plus point. That is multiple operating system, Mac, Linux and Microsoft. All three operating systems also it supports. Apart from that, it supports Maven. If you guys would have heard about not support, it easily integrates within a Maven, I can tell. Maven is a build automation tool which is been easily integrated with Selenium, which we are going to see, as well as it also integrates with the Jenkins, continuous integration tool, what we call it as Jenkins. It also integrates with that part. So a couple of other benefits is also there. So these are the couple of highlighted points. So one of the negative point, that is cons of this one, is the major con. What you can tell now, you guys are already knowing now. What is the major drawback? I mean, cons of this Selenium? Tell me.
There may be a server
Supports only web-based application.
Very good. It
Security.
supports only web-based application. It
Yes.
supports only web-based application, right? Okay. So now I am going to share my screen and I wanted you guys to go through this link and download and keep the relevant jar file. Why do we need that jar file and all? We'll discuss later. Okay. The point here is, if I wanted to run in my Chrome driver, I need to, all of you should download only in your personal laptop. I guess everybody are having personal laptop. Nobody is having Wipro laptop, I guess. Okay. So now what I wanted you to do is, I will share this link. You need to download and keep the relevant softwares to start working with the Selenium. Okay. So what are the relevant softwares? That is what I am going to show to you now. So the first one is, you need to download and keep jar files, that is binding files. I will tell Selenium Java bind, because I am going to automate. Another important point is it supports multiple languages. Okay. So right now, since you guys know Java, you have already learned Java. So we are going to download only the Selenium Java binding files. I hope it is clear what I'm telling. This is also plus point because it supports multiple languages. Are you able to see? I can write Selenium automation with respect to C#. I can write Selenium automation with respect to Ruby, Java, Python, JavaScript, etc. But let us do this point. Can you see here? March 28, 2022, new release has come. 4.1.3, some release has come. Okay. So I wanted everybody to download this release and keep it in your D drive or E drive, any one drive you have. That is the first
Can
point.
you please share the link, sir?
To download?
Download it.
Sorry? Come again? Come again?
Can you please share the link, sir, to download it?
I've shared the link, Noma. This is the link.
Can you post on chat box, sir?
I have posted in the chat box.
Got it, sir.
Okay, you just download this Java file. Don't download all the other things, only Java related binding file. We'll call it as Selenium clients and WebDriver language binding file. That is the first thing which you need to download. Second thing, what you need to do, you need to download a Chrome driver, because I am going to automate with Chrome. I hope everybody are having Chrome. Okay, Chrome driver file is what you need to download. Where do I go and download? You can go to the Google and tell Selenium Chrome driver file. Just simply type Chrome driver file for Selenium. It will give you the website called as chromedriver.chrome.org. Just you right click and open it. You will be able to see here multiple drivers. Okay, so what do you mean by these drivers? These drivers are related to the existing Chrome driver version. So how do I know which version of Chrome I am using? So if you go to your browser, if any browser if you have opened, there are rightmost corner, what you are having? There are 3 dots, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Just
sir.
you click on the 3 dots. There, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
About Chrome,
We are able to see you, sir.
Google Chrome is there, right? When I click here, what is that version it is showing for me? It is showing this version. It may not be same for most of you. Some of them, they would have not updated the Chrome. So they will be using the older version of the Chrome. If that is the case, you need to download the older version. Or else, whichever version you are having, you need to download only the relevant version. Otherwise, it will not work. This is the second thing you need to do. I hope it is clear. So what is the version of mine? Is it 101 or 100? 100.0.48. Let me wait for some time. I got the tick mark. It is showing 100.0.48. Let me Chrome here. Which I should download? I should download this one. Agree? So you need to click here and download. These 2 things I wanted everyone to download and keep it ready.
So what if
Is
I
it
download
clear?
99? So
Come again?
instead of 100, what if I download 99 point something from
It
that?
will not work. It is not compatible with your existing driver. It should be compatible because they have written the code in this Chrome driver jar file so that it will try to open the Chrome driver and it will try to run your program or execute or automate your application.
Sir, can you explain once again, please?
So 2 things I wanted you to download. One is Chrome driver, one is Java binding file. So Java binding file, because I'm going to write all my code in Java, so I told you to download Java binding file. Second is I'm going to automate using the Chrome driver. So that is the reason I needed this driver file for the Chrome. If you are going to automate using Firefox, there is a separate Firefox driver file. If you are trying to use Edge, there is separate driver file. So they have created, Selenium has created a separate driver file which will support for them to automate. I hope it is clear.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, my version is, sir, 100.0.4896.75. But in current release, sir, there is no such file, sir. No version
You
available.
can just check with 100.0.48 only whether it is working or not. You will be able to find out. So for you, it will be compatible with 100.0.48 only. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Excuse me,
you
sir.
download and
Java
you keep
file.
it there. So just click on this, it will get downloaded. So after downloading, you need to keep that one in one specific driver file. Okay. After that, you guys open your Eclipse, create one new project. I hope you guys know how to create a new project. Create a Selenium demo as a project name and keep it. So these are the things I wanted you guys to do and keep it ready. And try to do.
Hello, sir.
1 minute, I'll finish.
Sir, reverse it first once. Or overview it at like I don't get the whole scenario.
Sahil, I will just show you the demo. Then only you will be able to understand the connectivity. First thing I told you to do 2 different things. Download the jar file. Second thing is download the Chrome driver file. Please download and keep this one in your driver, C drive or D drive. Is it clear till now?
Java binding file for MacBook.
Sir, for that Chrome driver, sir, it is not. Hello, sir. So for that Chrome driver, it is not showing the version for 64-bit Windows, sir. It is just Windows.
Yes, sir. Same issue.
34-bit.
Yes,
sir. Chrome driver is not available for Windows.
Yes, don't worry.
64.
It will support for 34-bit only. You just download and keep it. Yes, whatever it is there, don't want for 32-bit.
Java binding file for
Chrome driver 32-bit file, you just download and keep it. Okay, so I want everybody to do this one. I will give you 10 minutes time. This is very important. Otherwise, we cannot proceed. So first thing I wanted you to do this. After this, I want everybody to access your PBL app and keep it ready. Okay, I will come in 10 minutes.
Sir.
Tell me.
Sir, Java
Yes,
binding file for MacBook, sir.
Mac, I am not worked on Mac, so it will be different, but you can try and parallelly do that. I will be showing only in the Windows application. You can try that.
Is it
The
available
Java
for
binding
MacBook,
file is
sir?
same for everyone. Hello? For Windows,
Ah,
there
yes,
is
sir.
nothing specific to Windows. Java binding file is same.
Okay, sir.
Okay, binding files are same, just similar to jar files, Java like that. Is that clear? So everyone,
Okay,
please keep it in one separate folder. Then open your Chrome drive, what is that, Eclipse IDE, create one project and keep it ready. Arya, you can stop sharing. Thank you. I will give you 10 minutes time. I want everybody to finish that.
I think, sir, we are unable to find the Chrome version as in the jar file, sir. Exact file, we are unable to find it, sir.
I have just now showed, no, one of your team members have clearly showed where is the Java binding file. What else you wanted? It is clearly disclosed. Just now, one of your team member opened it. You are telling you are not able to find in that website. Please go through that, explore that. You'll find it.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, I will be back in 10 minutes, ma. Just follow the steps, whatever I told. Okay.
Sir, site.
I will take the help of one of you and I will do that. Hold on for 10 minutes. I want all of you to do this, who and all are able to do. Others, you hold on, I'll come and help you out.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ ಈಗ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹಾಕೋದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕಿ ದೂರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇಪ್ಪ ಆಗಲೇನೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿಯೋದು ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ ನಾನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ
Guys, please mute yourself.
ನೋಡಿ
ಈಗ ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಈಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ
अरे भाई म्यूट नहीं हो रहा क्या? For God's sake, please mute yourself.
Hello, Panya. Hello. Hello, Kinuza.
Hello.
Hello.
Please unmute yourself.
Unmute ಆಗಿದೆ.
Mute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ please.
Okay, how many of them have completed now? Who and all have downloaded 2 things? Can you type 1? Who have not downloaded, can you type 2?
Sir, I'm facing a issue with the things. Can you please let us know which index file we should download? Like there is a Chrome driver Linux 64, but there is no such files for a 64 operating system of Windows. There is a for only Windows 32. There is a zip file.
Just same question was being asked by one of the team member. I have clearly told them
Okay.
which you need to download. It was 32-bit what it is showing, only that you need to download. Clear?
Hello, sir.
Is it clear, Sahil? Sahil, have you understood or you have not yet cleared still the doubt? Sahil,
We have installed the Selenium, sir. We have installed the Selenium tool, sir, but jar file we are unable to install, sir. Can you please tell how to install?
Can you please share your screen, Bharat?
Yes,
Sir,
fine,
I
sir.
am not
Sure.
able to.
Can you
send
share
chat
your
now.
screen so that I can support directly? I cannot
Okay,
be
okay.
telling for everyone. At
Yes,
least
sir.
one of you I can tell. Please share your screen.
Yeah.
Sir, I am not able to send chat, sir.
Same. Yes, sir.
me
I'm
too, sir.
also unable to send the charts.
You are unable to?
Send chat, sir.
Send chat, sir.
Unable to send the
message.
charts, sir.
Yes, sir. Same issue.
No, it is applicable for everyone. It is same option.
No, sir.
We are unable to.
No, sir, we are not able to chat.
No, sir, we
One
are
minute.
trying
No,
from
sir.
sir, it is not
No.
chats are not going, sir.
Who and all were not able to do and who and all are telling to, for them I am showing you once again with one of your team member. If you are still not able to follow, I think there is something wrong with your system or with you. Just cross check that the steps whatever we are doing. So what is the first step I told Bharat?
File, sir. You need to
Go to that one. I hope everybody are able to see Bharat's screen. Who and all have specified
Sir.
2. I hope you are able to see Bharat's screen. Chrome driver dot. Yeah, click there. Bharat, click there. Hold on. So hold on. Which is browser? First, you need to identify which browser is yours. How do you identify your browser? Yes. Which version? It is showing 99.0 version, right? So your version is not yet updated. Okay, fine, no problem. So let us see 99.0.
Relaunch it, Bharat. There is the Chrome is updated, but still you have to relaunch it, and then the version will be comes to 100.
Now you can open Chrome.
So one more kind request to everyone. When we are in the official chat, please try to avoid using bro concept in the corporate environment. I understand within your friend circle you can use that bro concept, but when you are in the corporate connection, please do not use that. Reason is the same habit will come when you are into the project. When the project team are there, they won't appreciate this kind of slang words. It will become a concern. So I kindly request you guys not to use when we are connected in the WebEx call so that you can practice that slowly. I do understand you guys are used to this slang you in college days and in your circle environment. But going forward, when you are in an office environment, when you are connected to the project people or when you are connected to the Wipro team, I kindly request you not to use that type of slang. It will not look good. It will create a different impression for the customer side. I hope you understood that in positive side.
yeah, we understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once again, please check the browser and then come back here. No. First, I wanted to see the browser. Yes.
Zero.
So 100.0.48. Okay, good. So now you go there and download. What was the confusion in this, Bharat, for you? The same step only I showed. What was it confusing you when I showed you that?
Next step,
Able to find the exact browser.
Sir,
Click there. Click there. Chrome.100.
100.0.489. Sir,
Click that.
Sir, screen got stuck, sir.
What are you seeing here, Bharat? Can you just speak? Screen is visible to me. I hope it is visible to all of us also. Somebody is telling screens got stuck. It is problem from your end, I guess. What are you seeing in 32? Win32 zip are you seeing? Last but one.
Last but one.
Last but one. Chrome driver win32.zip.
Last second.
Okay. Click on that. So this zip file gets downloaded. You need to have this zip file separately in one folder or in your drive. You can put it in E drive. In the base E drive you put, that will be easy. Any other questions?
Also need to download Win file only or Mac file we must download.
If you are using Chrome driver
Hello, sir. Can you hear?
in Mac application, you used to download Mac. If you are using Linux, you need to download Linux part. Okay. I told you to, yeah, just copy that, Bharat, right? Bharat, just right click, copy, paste it in the E drive.
Sir, Selenium ID also download or
I
not?
can do only one at a time. Hold on. Let me do one by one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Paste it, sir.
Just right click and paste it in the E drive. You have done?
Yeah,
So in the E drive,
yes,
we are
done.
having this. Good. So next, go for the Java binding file.
Go for the Chrome, sir.
Java binding file, not here. I close this browser, go to the Google, Selenium Java binding file. Type that.
Sir has given the link. You can check in link.
That's what everything I have given handy. I don't know why they are finding it difficult in understanding. Is there any communication gap?
No, sir.
Selenium dev dot it is there. Please try to use the link which I have already shared once again in the.
I have downloaded that file, sir, and installed also, sir.
Don't install. You download it and show to me.
Okay.
So that others who and all are still struggling to understand, let them also go through that. Okay. Second step. This is the second step. Is this done? Everybody clear on this? Two things. Anybody still finding difficulty in understanding this? Tell me.
No, sir.
How to download the Selenium one?
What are you seeing right now?
Just look, bro.
Please do not use that slang. Try to avoid it. I do understand it is difficult for to control.
Selenium, it's available there, sir.
I have given the download
Can I
link.
click on it,
It's
sir?
telling how to download. I don't know in what this one. I don't know whether my communication there is in a gap or what. Okay. Okay. Once again, okay, that's what Bharat. You can just click on that. Show them the link. Because I have done from my end, still it was not clear. So let me also show.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. I've downloaded it, and what should I do? Should I extract it and keep it in the same place?
That's what I'm telling to do for Bharat. Hold on. Okay.
Okay.
When I tell something to you, you may understand. The other person will not be able to understand. It will become difficult for me to repeat multiple times. Correct? In my computer, there is only C drive. Okay. Only C drive. Keep that files in the C drive. Simple.
Java 4.1.3 file.
Yes. There will be a zip file there. After downloading that. Or you can go to the change log files, whichever. No, don't get confused. Go to that 4.1.3.13 file. So better, you guys will get downloaded, confused once again then. Everybody understood this? Any confusion in this part?
No, sir.
Can you just show that file after downloading where you have
Yes,
kept
sir.
it, Bharat? So you are kept in E drive or D drive?
D drive.
Okay, fine.
The
Keep it
same
in one folder.
all the files in.
So I am not going to record. Somebody is asking recording. I am not going to record that one. I wanted everybody to listen whatever we are doing. That is why I am avoiding the recording. The links, every detail is also available in the PBL app. You can also, the PBL app it may be showing the older link because it is going to be changing as and when the browser changes. Since it is an open source tool, it will be changing. That is why I am showing you the steps. So copy these downloads, 2 downloads, whatever you have done, and put it into OneDrive. Either it may be D drive or in the E drive.
Can I put it in C drive? Excuse me, sir.
Yes, if you are having only one drive, create one folder, Selenium, and keep inside that. Simple.
Your shortcut has been created, sir. Yes, sir. I have placed it in same OneDrive, sir. E drive, that is.
E drive, very good. So everybody understood this part, or still any confusion in this?
Yes, sir.
If you have confusion, you can ask your team members only. Most of the team members were able to understand whatever I told. Somebody is coming and asking, I didn't understand, it is your fault now. Because 2 times we have clearly shown how it is to be done. Okay, so this is the first task. Download part is been done. Now, I wanted you to open Eclipse. Please open the Eclipse.
దీంట్లో మూవీస్ ఉన్నాయా?
Others, please go on mute. Others, please go on mute. Vinay Kumar Reddy, hold on. After downloading, hold on. I am going to tell you that. Let him open the IDE. This is the latest IDE you guys would have downloaded and you will be using for Java also, I guess. So Bharat, now let us go to that E drive where you have downloaded. Can you just show me that screen? That folder, I mean drive where you have downloaded. That drive, can you please show?
Hello?
Yes. Okay.
Able
Now,
to see, sir.
zip Chrome, I am able to see. Where is that? No, why there are 2 things in Chrome setup? I don't want Chrome setup. Okay, that is your end. You have done, huh? Okay, fine. Leave away. Chrome driver is ready. And where is that download zip file where you did? Can you just copy here? Java binding file you downloaded, no? Where is that? I'm not able to see that file. Can you just share me that?
Go to downloads.
Dot 1.3.
What is that? Okay, now, yes. What I wanted you to do is, I wanted you to extract that file, right click on that zip file, and extract in the same location.
Select the file. First select the file.
Install WinRAR to unzip the file. Click on the file and then click right click.
Select all.
Select all.
Done?
To do extract, sir. It is showing extract all, sir. I need to
That's all,
click on it.
that is what I wanted. Extract all, not in the same in the folder. Yeah, extract all you click. Is it showing the folder? Extract in this folder? Yes. Click OK. Yes. Correct. Extract. What is it? You already extracted or what?
Replace file.
It is showing
Replace the
and
file in the
removing
directory.
the same name.
Already extracted the zip file, sir.
Another file location.
Skip this file, you can leave or proceed that. Close away and proceed.
Skip.
Sir?
Skip this file. Okay. Close this now. No. Close this folder. Okay. So everybody, yes, everybody will be after extracting. Close that. Okay. So I hope everybody understood. After extracting, we got this particular file, right? So double click on that folder, whatever you have extracted. So we will be working only with the extracted file, not within a zip file. The file folder is there. Double click on it. So here you can see some of the jar files are there, which are needed to work with Selenium. Along with this, there is a lib folder. Double click on that lib folder. Inside that file also, inside that folder also, there are a couple of files. So I needed all these files also to work. So two things I need to import in my project to work with Selenium. One is outside the lib, other one is inside the lib. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have opened the Eclipse, right? Can you just click on that Eclipse part and create a simple Java project and show me.
What should we name the project?
Selenium demo.
Sir, would you repeat the process after going in Selenium Java? What we should do?
What was the problem when we were very slow, Akash? What was the problem from your end?
Sorry, sir. Would you repeat it?
So just simply extract that two
Sir,
files
done
to see
extracted.
whether that files are there. That's all. First point.
Sir,
After
after
that,
extraction, what we have to do?
nothing. You just go and open your Eclipse IDE
Okay, sir.
and create a new project.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So no, I wanted to see how you have created a new project. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah. Click on Java project. Yes. Type the project name. Don't give space. Don't give space. Selenium underscore demo or Selenium demo, one word. Don't give space.
For demo, sir.
Okay. Next, click on next button down. I hope everybody have configured Java,
Uncheck.
Java path, class path,
Sir, we have to
everything.
uncheck module.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next,
Do
click
we
on
have-
next. I'm not able to see the screen still. Don't click on finish. Click on next.
Selenium and SRC file created, sir.
I am not seeing that folder, Bharat. Once I show, I will
Sir,
tell you.
in my ID, there is no option called module.
To create a module, you go to the
Do step by step. If everybody are very fast, I'm very sorry for that. You need to wait for me unless I see Bharat's screen or anybody's screen, I cannot do that. No, you have jumped further. I told I wanted to see that creation of the project, Bharat.
Wait a minute, sir. I am creating Selenium one file.
Yeah, because there you need to give one checkbox. That is why I am waiting for you. Just do that
Yes, sir.
step by step. Selenium demo 1 you give. Don't hurry. I wanted to see each and every pop-up message, whichever it comes. Hold on. Next you click.
I click next, sir.
Okay. If you click finish, hold on with finish. Do you get any option there? Click on finish.
Yes, I am getting, sir. Module name as well as generate comments.
Hold on. Okay, 1 minute. Don't create. This is the one which I was telling you guys. Once you get this, please click on don't create.
Click on don't create now, sir.
Yes, click on don't create.
Sir.
Go inside that demo and close all the other windows. Just close all the other windows, whatever you have opened. What I can do is you can just right click on one of the tab above whatever you have written, no string, not there. On your white screen or the writing, yeah, above that, just right click, correct. Right click and close all. Not that it will become tedious job, yeah. Right click, just right click on that. I think he's taking time. Close all the tab. Very good. So now go to that Selenium demo 1. If it is confusing, delete that demo, Selenium demo afterwards. Yeah, then expand that Selenium demo 1. The new one which you have created, Selenium demo 1, you expand.
Hello, sir. I didn't get that don't create option. So
click on that SRC folder. Click on that SRC folder. How you will create a simple Java project? Hello world. Please create that hello world program.
Hello, sir. Sorry for interruption, sir. Actually, sir, I have not got that don't create, sir.
Go to build
Just now before you guys only I showed you, no?
Yes, but sir, in my Eclipse it is
While
not showing.
creating the Selenium demo.
I click on don't create, but it not showing module info.
Directly it created, sir. It didn't show don't create.
Yes, sir, it is not showing the don't create, sir.
1 minute. So just click on that public static void main and normal hello world program you write, Bharat. How did you guys do your Java project? Java program was being done, right? You have completed Java. How did you create your project in that case? Write the name, hello world. Write the name, hello world.
Peter.
And just type hello world and see.
Water on a capstone pieces to that. Water on a capstone pieces.
Your screen is stopped, I guess, Bharat. I am not able to see anything. It is just freezed, I guess. What are you seeing, Bharat?
Seeing that, can I finish the option I'm seeing, sir? Public static void main string args.
Okay. Think it is lagging.
Click the checkbox, sir.
1 minute. I am not able to see what are others are seeing from Bharat's screen.
Sir, it's showing that hello world public static main string is click and in inherited abstract method is click and finish is given there.
Right. So are you able to execute that hello world program? Are you getting in the console, Bharat?
Click on it, it will get, sir.
You click to finish, Bharat. You click to finish.
It's getting a hello world program, sir.
Yes, sir. Simply,
yes, sir. I also tried it.
To write Python code, right? Sorry, Java code, no, Bharat. Just type hello world. I wanted you to show me how do you print hello world in the console. Bharat, you know how to write hello world program in Python? In Java or not? Okay.
Yeah, I know, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now execute. How are you going to execute? Right click.
simply click the green button.
Yeah, whichever way. Run as Java application. Is that clear? Are you getting the output now?
I had
yes, sir.
Okay.
I am getting, sir. Hello.
Tomorrow, please listen here. Some of you are still struggling to do this particular task itself. I'm a little bit worried about that. This is a basic Java project creation, which you would have already learned and you would have done multiple times. Who and all have not able to do this, I wanted you to try multiple times and see whether you are able to get this basic hello world program first. So this makes sure that your Java is working fine. Now, second step, what I should do now, I wanted to work with Selenium now. So what should I do? I need to whatever I have downloaded. No, what did I download? Java jar files I downloaded.
Jar file and Selenium.
No, the second one no need to add. First one binding file. So that binding file I need to add to my project. I repeat, the project what I have created, I need to add or I need to import to that particular project file.
So basically, sir, Java jar file, all are libraries.
You are correct.
Okay, so simply added in this SRC folder directly, OBCC folder, and import all of files, sir, directly, sir. We go to the C drive and open the open the Eclipse and you select the SRC folder and paste off all the folder. You directly select all of things, sir.
Okay, so let us try that step also. So tell me that step, whatever you are telling. Tell me one by one.
Sir, go to SRC file, go to build path, then configure build path, then we will go to library. And then
That is what I was telling. Your team member is telling another method. Let us also look into that. Please tell me what is that you are telling. Somebody told different, go to the C drive, D drive and all. No? Can you please repeat that?
That cannot happen.
Okay, let us follow the step, whatever I am telling. Or if you want to tell, please tell that it is good that I am also learning something different. Or you guys are already aware something also. If you want to tell that or you wanted to follow whichever way, please go ahead, no? I don't know what is that. Team, somebody telling something here, please go ahead, tell. It is good that you are telling, please go ahead. I'm happy that you are telling, please tell me once again.
Sir, for build path, configure build path wala.
No, I mean, somebody was telling about some other thing, go to the C drive, Eclipse, that part I wanted you to do that.
I think it's Gautam. I think Gautam is saying that, sir.
Yes, sir. Gautam was there.
Gautam, can you just share that one? Share your screen. So Gautam is in college, so he will not be able to do that is what he's telling. Others.
Done, sir.
No, share your screen. I want everybody to see. Done, I know a couple of them will be doing. Some of them will struggle and they'll be asking questions and we will not be able to proceed further.
Yes, sir.
Please share your screen and show me how did you add the jar files, whatever you have downloaded. Only the jar files I told. You would have done even for Chrome driver file also. That's what I'm telling. Show me the step.
Sir, I think no one has done that step, sir. You only saw
Can you
us.
please, one of you, please share your screen. If you didn't share, how do I tell you? Tell me. Yes. Now I think I'm seeing Sahil. You are this one. So hello world is coming. Now the second step, what I told is, this is with respect to Java. It is nowhere related to Selenium. Whatever you have done till now. Now what you are going to start is Selenium part. So what we need to do, we need to add the jar files, whatever we have created into this particular folder. So how are you going to do? You just right click on Selenium demo. Not that project name. Right click on the project name. Sir, project name. Yes. Right click on that. Go to build path. Build path. Then you are having what? Add external jar files or configure build path. Go to the configure build path.
Configure build path. Last one.
Last one. Yes. Here, go to the libraries. Click on libraries. Click on class path. This is another important point. Right side, it will not get enabled until and unless you click on class path. I hope everybody focused this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After clicking on that class path, you will get enabled. Now I am going to add my external jar files. So there is a last option, external jar files. Add external. Sorry, second one.
Second one, sir.
Add external jar files. Click on that. Now go to the E drive or D drive, wherever you have downloaded, no? Extracted, right? That one.
Your voice is lagging, sir.
How about others?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Good sir. No, sir.
Not like
No,
this,
sir.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you. So please click on that Selenium Java 4.1.3. Click on that. Now you need to select all the files except that lib folder. So click in one of the jar files and press Ctrl A. Ctrl A. Now click on Control. Control A. Then, no, hold on. I will tell the steps. Why are you jumping? Control A.
Plus shift.
Then click on Control button. Click on Control button and press on lib folder. It will get deselected. Understood? Now Control C. I think one extra copy has been Control C. No need to have Control C also. You can just click on Open. So all your library files comes here. It is coming. Anybody is having any doubt in this step?
No, sir. We did not include the lib files.
No, sir.
Hold on. I told anybody is having any doubt in this step.
No, sir.
Yes,
Okay. Then once again,
No,
click
sir.
on class path.
Sir, apply and close.
1 minute. Click on class path towards the left side. Class path.
all the files are like hide.
Left side, inside that, whatever is there, no class path. Oh, no, not there, man. In middle, module path, class path. Yes, click on the class path. To tell. See, there is a class path, no, above that. There only, ma. Whatever you are there. No. There. See,
down to JRE system. Down to JRE system.
Below that
Next to
JRE
JRE.
system library, there is a class path.
Yes.
Click on that.
Click there. Now, once again, go to the add external jar file. Now, we need to click on library, lib folder, because except lib, we have done everything, right? Now, we went inside the lib, Control A once again. Click open. So, what we have done now? Apply and close. So everybody, have you understood whatever we have done till now?
Yes, sir.
What did we
Yes,
do?
sir.
We have imported all the jar file in the respective folder, project folder called Selenium demo. I wanted to see that. So go to the left side of the Selenium demo and expand that folder. No. Hold on. There is arrow mark, no? Greater than. Click on that. Next to Selenium demo, ma. Click there. Now click on reference library or JRE system library files. Just expand. Expand means click on that greater than symbol. Do you guys see whatever you have you have imported, it is there in this particular folder. So this is what we were doing till now. So all your relevant jar files are available in this particular Selenium demo.
Including lib file.
Is any doubt in this?
Yes. I have doubt.
I think Gautam was telling the another way of doing the same thing. I don't know. That is what you were telling or somebody was telling. I don't know that. So and you can also see the path there. Can you just move towards the right side and see that C colon path? How do I tell that? I don't know. Just just to
Excuse me,
that
sir.
plus symbol comes, just move towards the right, ma. I mean to say expand.
Down scroll.
Very good. Expand that towards there. Very good. Thank you. What you are able to understand. Who is this? Is a power. Okay, you are able to understand my. But okay. So C colon you have installed. From there I have extracted. Inside the library, these particular files were there. Without library, some files were there. It's all is there in my place. Any doubt in this step? Anybody?
No, sir.
Sir, I have
Sir,
only
excuse
one
me,
doubt.
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
I stuck after installing adding external jar, sir. So would I share my screen, sir?
No, I have clearly shown you the step. You can ask within your team members tomorrow or after this call. I will give you half an hour time.
Sir,
You can do because
sir,
most of
after
them are
adding
able to.
external jars, what we have to do, sir?
Please, one of your team member will be able to show once again for you. I cannot repeat this. Okay. Please try to understand. Each and every time we cannot repeat this. Worst case, I will share you the link how you can do this one. It will be available in the download, in the YouTube link. I will share you that also. Is that clear? Okay, done. So you understood how to add the relevant jar files. That is Java binding files I have added here. Now I need to write my first automation script. Okay, so what I will do, I'll create a new Java file. Java file. Can you just create a new Java file, Sohail? Just right click.
New Java project. Na?
Just you create test case one, TC1 you create, underscore, launch the browser. TC1 launch browser. Create a new. No. What are you creating? Don't create project here. Where are you? Not in reference. Go to the SRC. I think you guys have created Java files or not?
Yes, sir.
Under SRC folder, right click on the SRC folder. So you will be focusing only on this particular Selenium part. Please remember, you have created one first program, not that. Please close everything. Minimize everything. Not that. Not that, yeah. Please expand once again.
Sir, can I share my screen?
No, hold on. I cannot be doing repeatedly. I don't want to do all the job. No, come again once again. Where you were there, come to that particular location.
But that pop-up is gone, sir. How will that pop-up be?
Towards the left side, there is a small icons, right? Below.
Restore.
Correct. Click on that.
Restore.
Okay. Now I told you you expanded, right? Clicking on the greater than symbol. I told to minimize that. Click. No. Okay, click that only. SRC. Then reference library. Reference library. This is how it will look like, right? Click on a reference library. Now you are in this phase. Now I want to create another Java file. How do you do? Can somebody tell me how did you create another Java file in the same?
So we have to go to the SRC.
Right click on SRC and then create new.
Then why you are struggling?
Right click on SRC and then click class, new class.
Give the name of the program TC1, test case 1. What are you typing? Okay, no, hold on. Test case 1, you can write TC1. It will be easy for you because we'll be writing multiple test cases. TC1 underscore launch browser. Same step which we did earlier. I wanted you to do that and create that. I will tell you what code you need to write.
So should I select the public static void mainstream?
Yes. For all the program, static void you need to select unless we come to test-ng.
Should I finish?
Yes. Click on.
Yes, sir.
Done? Very good. So now what I should do, I need to do my first Selenium code to automate the browser. Automate the browser means what? I am going to open the Chrome browser automatically. When I click execute, Chrome browser should open automatically. How should I do that one? That is what you need to understand first. Is it clear what I'm telling to everyone?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
how
sir.
are you
Yes,
going
sir.
to do that is what I'm
Yes,
going
sir.
to tell you. Hold on. Just give me a minute. I will just give you the code first and then I will explain you.
Sir,
Okay.
if I type SOSO, there is system dot, there is no pop-up app available. Even SOU, there is not working this shortcuts here.
Where you are having the driver, ma? Where you are having the driver?
SYSOUT.
This out
In the
control
E drive?
Control space.
No, okay, fine. What you do first, what you can do is test case one you type. You type test case one in that, put a comment statement and type test case one more. Simple. Comment TC1, what is launch the browser? Or just you can tell launch the browser, putting a comment statement, that's all. Test case one also not needed, launch the browser. For that I am writing the code. Don't write TC1, just you simply type launch browser. I think that will be better. So I am going to write the code below this to launch the browser. So what I am writing, I am putting in the chat. Okay. So system.set property, you can type it. Don't copy that. Don't, that's what I'm telling. When you do mistake, you copy. You type SYS system, you type. Capital S.
File system dot set property, not system dot out dot system dot set property.
Hold on. You will get more confused. So what I will do,
So
hold
many
on,
people
ma.
are
Hold
talking to
on.
me.
You
I'm
stop
confused.
sharing. I will share the screen. Let others let me know whether you are able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First step, this is what even Sohail has also done. So I told to launch the browser. First step is I am going to set the property for the driver. How do I set the property for the driver? I am using this code system capital S system dot set property, not IES. It is only Y set property. Okay, so I will repeat that. And parallelly, I will do for you guys. You can see here. System dot, like this it should come. The pop-up should come. Set property. You have two double quotes. One is for key, another is for value. What is the key? WebDriver cap. Please be careful. It is case sensitive. WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, comma. Inside this, where do you have your driver? That is why I told you guys put your driver in the D drive or E drive correctly so that you will not get confused. So this is my driver now. I'm just copying that driver, going to the E drive, which all of you have already done. Don't do this step. Already in the E drive, I'll be having the old file of Chrome driver. I will replace this one to old 2021. Now I'm going to copy the new one, which I have downloaded now, which you guys are also done. Taking some time. Okay, it is taking for me some time. So what is the, I'll come back to the code, let it happen. Now you need to write that path where exactly you are having this particular code. So how do you select the path? I'm going to tell you once this is done. It's taking time. So I will just go and click on this E drive and I will type Chrome. After copying Chrome, can you see that all the drivers will come for me? I will select my driver. In your case, it will be only one. For me, multiple drivers are there. Then Control A, it will select. Control C, I will copy. I hope you understood what I did. So now, you need to, after copying, you can paste it, or if you know the path correctly, you can just type that one, E:2 / Chrome driver .exe file. That is the exe file which we have downloaded. You can do this in this way also. Any doubt till now?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So do we have to put double backslash?
Yes. 2 / acts like an escape sequence, or you can make it as 1 /. Both are okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Have you done? Everybody done this one?
Hello, sir.
Let me come back here. I think it is not opening for me. I'll just close this.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
What is this system dot set property? All this, sir. What is this
We'll
means?
discuss that. It is setting the properties for the driver. I am telling to this code, I am setting the property to open the Chrome driver. This Chrome driver I have downloaded. That is why system.set, setting the property to the system. What is the driver? Syntax is webdriver.chrome driver. I am opening the Chrome driver. The syntax is webdriver.chrome driver. Sorry, webdriver.chrome.driver, comma, and where is the driver? The driver is in this particular path. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. If new test case is writing, then property will also change, sir.
Why? Everywhere, every time this is only set system, the new file.
New test case, sir, in case.
Yes, new test case, it will be same only, no? Basically, you are telling where is your E drive, yeah? Where will be E drive? E drive will be same.
Sir, set property will be same or different, sir.
Set property will be same for all your test cases. Basically, this Chrome.driver, it is telling that where is this Chrome.driver? This set property is same only, no? It is always be in E drive. No, are you going to change this one to the D drive, E drive, etc.?
No, sir. No, sir.
That is what I am telling. This will be same.
Sir.
Let me complete one task. You guys can explore that and try to do that one. Okay. I'm going to the E drive. Where is my Chrome driver? Old I have mentioned. I'm going to the downloads. I'm going to copy the Chrome driver. So just expanding that. Copy this. Come back to E drive.
You copied the application, sir, or a zip file.
Then I'm going to copy here in the E drive.
So you copied the zip file or a copy the exe file?
Exe file. I have copied only the exe file, not the zip file.
So should so suppose I put that exe file in the zip file and the copy that path. Is it okay?
Not okay.
Okay. So we have to separate the Chrome application file.
Yes. In case if you have put inside the folder, then it is okay.
Unzip.
Understood?
We have to take the
No, sir,
path where the
not
source
understood,
variable
sir.
is present.
Sir,
Unzip the file.
yeah, I unzip the file, but
Tell me.
Yeah,
After
from the
unzipping, what you will get?
and there is another folder, unzip folder is created that when I extract all.
Okay, go inside that folder and then do the steps as sir has told.
Okay. Sir, how you
to make your life easy? I told you guys.
Can you repeat the path, sir? Like how you select that path, sir? Like the Chrome exe.
Go here. Click here.
Okay.
Here, Chavo.
There is another method for checking the path. We can click on the one that we want to make the path. So you can click on the Chrome driver.exe from the below, and then just click on any one of the loading, and above when the paths will come. So can I share my screen? This is easy for me to understand.
Yes, sure.
Yes, my screen is visible, right?
Yes,
so
yes.
I have kept in a folder actually. So in my folder, it is over here. So while taking the part, we can click over here and take the part from here, and you can copy from here. This is actually the part.
So
no, there is a mistake there. Hold on.
Yes. The path goes to another side, like that.
No. Hold on. There is a mistake there. Can you please share the screen once again?
There is a single black slash in that.
No. When you copy and paste, double black slash will come. Problem here is you will not have the Chrome driver there. Can you show me once again? See the path, whatever you are showing, right? Where is the chrome.exe file there on the path?
Exactly. So that's the reason, sir. We can't how to add that Chrome exe file. That's the question. You did properly, but I'm not able to do that.
No, here also we
make
can
a backward
go to
slash.
that path. No, go to that Explorer, Windows Explorer. Click on that. No, not there. The folder, whatever you click on that.
Where location is given.
And end of that. No, correct. Yeah, you are in the right place. On top, click there. Put a backward slash. At the end, now you select that down one. No, don't click. If you click, it will execute. It will open.
Okay, sir.
You need to select that and copy and paste it. This is one way. I hope everybody understood.
No, sir. Not understood. I'm not able to select the whole path, sir.
No, don't click there. Use the mouse arrow. Keyboard.
Use the keyboard.
Select the keyboard, down arrow key. Use the keyboard to select. Now you select Control A, Control Paste. Control C, Control P. Control C, Control P. I hope you understood now.
Sir, I will share my screen, sir.
No, I cannot teach for everybody here. This is a very simple one. That is the reason I told you. Very easy way. If you get confused, go and copy that in the E drive. If you don't know how to copy in the E drive and do what?
I try, sir. Just 1 second, sir. That goes.
I'll just right click and go to properties. Show more options. Yes. And select this location part.
No, when you select
This
location,
location
exe
still not
will
has
not be selected.
exe file.
No, bro, it will not work. We can put
exe file
manually
will
also.
not be copied.
We can
How
put
that guy
You can write your exe file name, bro.
Yes, sir, we can write by own also.
Don't write it, you will make a mistake. If you do any typo error, capital C, capital H, something goes wrong. So
No, sir,
select the phone, I will tell you once again.
manually it works.
Sir, please tell us the last step, sir.
Sir, please guide us.
Click, bro. Right click,
I
right
will
click.
tell you now. Sahel, hold on. Click on that path, above, path 32, after 32, win 32. Click there. Go to the end. Click on the end of that line.
I'm on the end of the line.
Then click backward slash, single backward slash. That's all. Now use your keyboard. Don't use mouse. Keyboard to select drop down. Keyboard. Use your keyboard to drop down.
Click on the downward arrow from the keyboard.
I don't know. You are clicking on this. I told use the download.
Control C.
Something.
No, yeah. Go to the end of that line. Don't click there and all. Go to the end of that line. Yes. Take your hands off from the mouse. Okay. Keyboard, mouse. Keep your hand in the down arrow key of the mouse.
Okay, I'm on the
keyboard.
Sir, it's already there. Chrome drive.exe. He can directly copy now.
1 second.
I'll install this one. Create on folder.
Is it okay?
Share my screen.
Is it okay now, sir?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. I don't know why everybody are struggling with that. I will just share my screen also. I will show you once again. Are you guys able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, that is the reason I told you extract and don't keep inside any folder. Keep directly in the E drive. Okay. So let me make it more clear. Let it be created. This is the link which I have downloaded now, right? I'm clicking here. Just observe now. I'm in this particular path. I'm pressing C, H. All my CH files will be able to see. The latest one is this. I've selected using not by mouse, by keyboard, down arrow key. Can you see here? Keyboard down arrow key. Then Control A, Control C, go to the code, paste it, Control V. That's all. I hope it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
That's all. So this is the first step to launch the browser. So after launch, not for launching the browser, to tell to the Selenium where is your Chrome driver. I have told it is in this particular system path. I have told it. Then after that, I want to initiate the Chrome driver class. Means I need to tell to the Selenium, through Selenium I am trying to open the Chrome driver, Chrome browser I wanted to open. How do I tell? First thing is, we will discuss this in detail. Okay, tomorrow like this we will discuss that in detail. So what is this? Okay, I will tell you now itself. So I am this is what, when I tell Chrome driver means what, forget about the above one. Tell me what does this mean? CHROME means what? If I'm writing like this, what is this? Is this a class?
Function?
Constructor, maybe. Constructor.
Come again?
It's not how it's a constructor. It's a function, sir. Na?
Function. I will tell you that. Okay, I'm creating a new instance for this.
Now it's a constructor.
Now I'm creating constructor for that. Then I'm going to create an instance for that constructor.
Object.
We created an object.
Very good. That is an object of what? WebDriver class. Agree?
So VD. So what's the object, sir? Okay. Driver is the object. Okay.
Driver is my object. Okay, I am creating a new instance of Chrome driver object, which is of the type WebDriver. So
Is
web
that
driver is
interface or
an
class, sir?
interface. I repeat, web driver is an
WEB. Sir,
interface.
it's WEB.
B.
Web driver is an interface. Understood? Web driver is what? You can see your I. I indicates it is an interface. What is the interface in Python? Sorry, Java?
Sir, we have
Which
to
has
type.
abstract
You are
classes,
showing an example.
abstract
only.
methods.
Come again?
Sir, we have to type this, or you are showing some examples, sir.
I want you guys to do parallelly also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You asked the interface. Interface is like a blueprint for a class, sir. Like
That is object, no?
no, sir. The web driver is the interface, no? And driver is the object.
Correct. What is web driver? Web driver is the interface. So what is interface is my question.
Creates the abstract.
It's create abstract method, sir. Like it
Very good.
contain the abstract method.
No, what do you mean by that abstract method?
We can't create object for it.
Yeah, exactly.
Does not have a method body.
We
Now,
cannot create objects for it.
Multiple inheritance.
So it is having some inbuilt method. I will be able to utilize that, right?
Yes.
Okay. So interface is a web driver is an interface. Driver is an object I've created for a Chrome driver. Is it clear what I'm telling?
Yes.
So what did I do? I created one object called as driver object. You can name it as BR or whatever you want. You can give your name, my name, whatever. It will work. It will work or not?
Yes, sir.
It will
It's
work.
work.
Okay. So these two steps, what did I do? First step is I have told where my Chrome driver is there because I wanted to open the Chrome driver instance. And I have created a web driver instance of called dr. Dr is my instance. Now only these two lines I am going to execute. I will forget about everything. What is the
So for
shortcut
this,
key
do
for
we need to
comment
import
statement?
anything, sir?
Shortcut key for comment. All the lines.
Just select and control it.
Control Shift and arrow. Okay, fine. So what did we do? You understood till here. Now let me run this. I hope everybody are able to see the screen what I'm doing.
We have to write the code, sir. We don't write that one. So
Okay.
can you give a few seconds, sir? We will simultaneously write the code.
No. Why after writing I'm executing it to observe what is happening. Wait for some time. You can see towards the right side down. It's showing something in the console. It's not yet come. It is still executing.
How this code will execute? So we had
Can you see something has happened? It has started the Chrome driver. This is the version which I downloaded. It is the version which is downloaded.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
So you are not audible.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Your voice is not audible, sir.
Wait for 1 second.
అది చెప్పండి. ఈడ కాదు ఈడ తెలుసా ఆడ నువ్వు పోతా అంటే మసీద్ వస్తుంది.
Unmute yourself, guys.
Sir,
Sir is on call. Wait.
sir, so below
Sir is in
below
call.
instantiated the Chrome driver class.
ఏందమ్మాడు తెలీదు అంటాడు. మసీద్ అంత పెద్దది పెట్టుకున్నాడు. మసీద్ పెద్ద ఉంటది బస్ స్టాండ్ నుంచి కొంచెం ముందు. ఈడ కాదమ్మా తల్లి నేను అన్నది
Please
ఆ
mute
ప్రసారాన్ని చెప్పు నాకు.
Mute yourself.
అసలు ఆడ ఎందుకు తింటారు ఆడైతే బాగుంటది నువ్వు అన్నాడు. బస్
Lakshmi
స్టాండ్
Chinna Keshava, please mute yourself.
Bro, mute yourself.
అస్సలు లేదు. మంచూరియా అయితే వేస్ట్ పన్నీర్ అయితే ఎక్కువ వేడి కూడా మంచూరియా ఫ్రైడ్ రైస్ టేస్ట్ బాగుంది, మంచూరియా టేస్ట్ బాగాలేదు.
Kal, pa, tapu, kusari, mute yourself.
బాగుంటే నేను చెప్పేదాన్ని కదండి.
He's not even listening to you.
I think they are in a call.
Sorry. Okay, guys. So till now it is clear.
Can you share the code below line
Guys,
number
I will
18?
share the code. Hold on. Are you able to understand what has happened here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
What has
one
happened
question.
here?
Uh,
Code has
sir,
executed.
sir, you have
After that, you can
imported
see one
something.
additional
The
browser
code,
has opened.
Sir,
the
you had
code is
Can you see one?
executed in live
Sir,
server.
sir,
Code is executed in live server, sir.
sir,
Okay,
I have
so
tried,
Chrome
but
is
because
being
but it's
controlled
not
by the
working.
automated test software.
Excuse
So
me,
it
sir.
is similar to the Chrome driver, that is automated driver.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir,
Are
you
you
had
able to see
imported
the
something,
screen?
sir.
You have imported something. Yeah,
You have
We
imported
want that,
something.
sir. What you had imported?
Hey guys, import. There is a error showing on the left side. From that you
Sir,
can
just
import it.
sir, just share the code, sir. Just
Hold on. These are the two lines of the code which you need to open the automated browser.
Sir,
That's all.
file which you had
Sir, the
imported,
web
sir.
driver and Chrome driver
the
will
file
have
which
to
I have
import.
imported.
No, sir, at the top of the program, there is you imported some file.
Yes, sir, that one.
What file I have imported? These two lines I wrote here, that's all.
Sir,
At
they
the
are
first
talking
line,
about
at
the
the very
packages,
first, you have
sir.
written some
Beginning of the code,
import
sir.
The packages.
org.openqa.selenium.
Sir, they are saying
The
org.
first name of that import method and extend
Method.
Selenium which
You
we
don't
have.
worry about this. Don't worry about this. This
We
is,
can
it
import
will
by
come.
one.
Okay, I understand. So once you do this line, you will be getting a red color mark first time.
హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఉంది.
You will get a first time one red color marks will come. Why it will come means it will indicate that you need to import the driver because we already downloaded the jar files and all. From there, I need to import that to this particular program. So once you mouse over and right click, you will be able just to mouse over. If you just mouse over on that red line, for me it is red. Okay, I'll show you that red line. Why do you worry about that also? Hold on. I'll just delete it. I think you guys will be clear.
Yes, sir.
This is the error like this you will get. Correct, na?
Sir.
Just to mouse over.
No, sir, I didn't get that error, sir. I tried to.
It is not the error. It is telling you to import.
Okay.
So just to mouse over, you will get that import Chrome driver from where org.openqa.selenium.chrome. Click on that. Automatically it will get imported here. We are not writing that code manually. Just mouse over, import WebDriver org.openqa.selenium. It is getting imported. I hope it is clear for you now. Yes or no?
Sir, I did the same, but
sir.
still showing error, sir.
Do
I
that
don't know.
multiple times and just come up tomorrow, and then you should be in the position to open the browser. So these are the two lines of the
Sir,
code
open, sir. My browser is open
which you need to
successfully.
do that one. So all of you repeat whatever we have done or write it in the paper and come. What are the steps you have learned? What did you do to automate a very simple browser part? I hope you understand what I told.
Yes,
So
sir. Simply
you need
open
to
the.
practically do this and you need to come. So this
Sir,
is
can
the
you please
first
share the
task
video
which I am
link?
telling everybody to do. I cannot repeat this. I was very slow, very clear to make you understand.
Sir, I have
Understood,
only
sir.
one difficulty. While opening the
Thank you.
project, sir, I got that create
Sir,
and
starting
duplicate
line of
feature
the
didn't
code.
appear.
Just mouse over, ma. Extension of thread, main Java lang error, unresolved compilation error. WebDriver cannot be resolved in the type. Chrome driver cannot be resolved of the type. I think some Java.
Same error, sir.
Sir, same error, sir. At least first import it.
He hasn't imported.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
he needs
Same
to
error.
import
Sir,
it.
they
He
have
hasn't
not
imported it
imported the
yet.
packages,
Sir,
sir.
after
They
importing
have not imported
the
it.
Chrome driver still shows errors.
Forward over the web driver
See,
and
you
Chrome
have not imported the drivers properly. That is reference library. So yeah, mouse over import WebDriver. It is there, no? First one.
This is the same procedure you have to repeat.
Similarly, do for Chrome driver, mouse over.
Chrome driver also.
Click on that. Your job is done. What else you wanted?
These things are also told.
Something else is also missing, but it is running. You are able to open the browser. Some small error mistake is also there, but it is opening. Browser is automatically opening.
Yes, sir.
So I wanted everybody to do something. Error is there. You need to find out what is that error, why it is coming, find out that and solve that one. Fix it. Should not come like that. April 15th, what you
Okay,
open
sir.
QA, dev tools. This is something else, but it is working for you. But
Yes, sir,
I
this is
feel some error is there. Just find out
I
that
got
error.
the
Fix it.
same, sir.
Okay. So, but it is opening.
Yes, sir.
Your
Same
browser,
error,
it is
sir.
working. So that's all for the day. I wanted everyone to do this basic step. You
Sir,
should
it
be
is
able
showing error
to
in package.
automatically open your
Yes, sir. Same
browser.
error, sir.
I hope it is
Yes, sir.
understood.
It's
I've
yes, sir.
told clearly step by step. Tomorrow I will ask you guys what are the steps you need to do. Please try to do that step and come. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir,
That's all.
Now
So
please
now
help me with the
guys can
PBL
leave for the
app.
day. If you don't have any questions, I cannot repeat the same simple steps multiple times. I have already done this one. I will share you one video also for you. Please go through that video.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Somebody
sir.
was asking. Yes, tell me, ma.
Sir, now please help me with the PBL app thing that you were saying.
Okay, others can leave for the day. Thank you very much for joining. I hope you understood how to automate a first basic script, automation script automatically opening. So others can leave except one person, Aditi, right? Aditi Yadav.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Others
Thank you,
can
sir.
leave. Aditi Yadav, share your screen. Others, please leave. I'm not going to take others' concern now. We'll catch up tomorrow.
Sir, please
Tomorrow
provide the
when do we
link,
join,
sir.
sir?
Sir, the video link which you said you will share. Please provide
Yes,
that.
sir. Video link, sir.
Please go through that PBL app. I will just check that one. I need to check that one. And currently, I don't have the exact video link so that you guys will understand better.
So you can share with the girls, sir, and they will send it.
So you told that you are going to share the video, sir.
Not this video, ma. I told I'll be sharing the video link of YouTube. 1 minute. Okay. Let me do that also for you.
Okay, sir, we will wait.
This is not a video link, a web link I have. Please go through the PBL app also and the step-by-step process from the scratch they have given here. Please go through that step and because you don't do that Java installation, you already done. Configuration of the Java path you already done. Downloading onwards you can do. Okay. Go through that. We'll catch up tomorrow. Thank you very much. Others can leave for the day except Aditi. Aditi, share your screen.
Sharing.
Aditi, share your screen. Others, please leave the call.
So by the end of
Thank you
today's
very much
session,
for joining
make
today's
sure that you
session.
guys are equipped to
Please
run your
leave the
first
call.
Selenium test case. But before we begin, let me quickly course you all through today's training session. So first, I'll be talking about why you should be using
Somebody
Selenium.
else
Then
is
I'll tell you
please,
what Selenium is.
please go
Then I'll
on mute,
introduce you to
everyone.
the versions it has had and the suite of tools that it
Guys,
offers.
please go on
And I'll
mute.
see how to set Selenium.
Aditi, now you tell me what is your problem. Aditi, are you there? Aditi, are you there?
Hello, yes, sir, I'm there.
Yeah, please share your screen and
Yes,
do
sir.
the steps, whatever you have done.
Okay, so 1 second.
What is the problem with your PBL app you are taking? You are not able to log in. Huh?
Yes, sir, I'm not able to log in, sir. I'm just showing you 1 second.
Did you follow the steps which was been given in the
Yes, sir,
PDF
I
link?
have followed those steps according to the PDF. Actually, sir, it was showing after doing all those steps that PBL app not found.
Are you
Yes, sir,
sure
1 second.
PBL app not found? That error was coming? PBL app not found?
Sorry. I mean, my account not found in that PBL app. 1 second. I'll show you
Account
that.
not found means you are not using your right mail ID. What is the mail ID you have given to the Wipro?
Sir, I have given my college
Don't
ID,
give
sir.
different mail ID. Whatever
So
you
like,
have given, only that account will be mapped.
so we have to enter that superset ID, and the superset ID.
Before superset ID, there will be a
Onboarding mail
That,
mail ID
so
given to
that's
you.
my college ID, sir.
Sir,
Whatever ID you
onboarding
have
mail
given,
is
you
not
should give
received, sir,
first thing.
now.
Then you will get
Please
a.
help me kindly.
After doing that
Post-
OTP, then only you should give that superset ID and login. Correct, na? Have you done that
So
process?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have done all those steps, sir. After doing all those steps, it says account not found or invalid in PBL app. So can I
Then I
do
need
in
to
front
check
of
what
you?
is your account from the backend team, and then only I can update you because I don't know what ID you are given. Give me time tomorrow. I will just check and get you that update of which account you have used. If you have not used properly that account, this type of account not found will be there. Usually this happened in the day one. We have clearly told them to use the respective account ID. Otherwise, you have not you have used the wrong mail ID something. That is why it is telling account not found.
Yes, sir. And so when I was trying with a different account, then it showed me that I
Don't use
already had an
different account.
account.
It will become a problem. If you use
Okay,
different
sir.
account means it will not log in at all further.
Yes, sir. So can I do all those steps in front of you, like if you want me
No,
to?
I need to check what is your right account
Okay, sir.
from the
Okay.
respective team. Then
Okay,
only I
sir.
will be able to support you. So
Okay, so
tomorrow we can connect and I will update you. Is that clear?
okay, sir.
So
So
meanwhile, what we can do is whatever link, whatever the steps we did today, you
yes, sir.
can do that and keep it ready.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So basically,
So
how
should
to
I
be?
share, sir, my that superset ID with you?
No needed. Tomorrow I will get the details of everyone. At that
Oh,
time you can just share it to me. But
okay.
now you try to understand how to automate using the Selenium part. And in fact,
So
if
this
I'm
part I
joining
have understood
late, you
and I
can
have
ask
done
your
that.
team members. Some of them were facing that same issue. They were able to solve that one, and I have already
So
updated
actually,
the
I've
same
asked
issue.
them. They told me the same steps as you were telling, and I have already done those steps. I don't know what the issues are. That's why.
Okay. Then I need to connect with the respective team in the backend. Then only I can confirm you whether you are using the right superset ID or not. I mean, that mail ID or not. That can be done only tomorrow. Okay.
Okay,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
And sir, I also want to ask one thing. Actually, I wasn't able to join all these classes due to some medical issues. So, what all I have to cover, like,
Java, Kameshwari was delivering the session. You were attending or not attending?
no, sir. Actually, I was out of town and I didn't attend any sessions.
So have you dropped the mail to the PMO? I mean, the mail ID, internship.com, some mail ID is there, no, for communication?
Sir, I didn't do that.
First you do that one. You need to drop, I have not attended so and so. Let them come up with the communication and let me see. Because We cannot
Yes.
repeating everything. You know
No,
Java.
sir, I'm not asking you to repeat. I'm just asking you to tell me like how can I cover like.
Are you which background? You computer science or what is your?
Yes, sir. Computer science.
You know Java?
Sir, I don't know Java as such. Like I have knowledge of Python. I'm not like.
Okay, then go through and understand Java concept. Kameshwari will be continuing from packages from day after tomorrow. All basic things, looping statements, everything she has completed. Please complete till that one, making use of the PBL app. After that, we have a metal programs. You need to complete all the metal programs because that is very important for your assessment point of view. Demo metal programs. You can ask your team members or Kameshwari to share you the metal programs when she joins. Complete
Okay,
that all
sir.
the
Can you
metal.
share me the mail ID, sir, that you were saying that I have to drop the mail on?
No need to drop. She will be connecting you from day after tomorrow. I'll be connecting only tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, she will be working on.
Oh,
That time you
okay.
can ask her. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So by that time, sir, please help me resolve my that PBL app issue. Then only I can,
See, Java you can learn in any of these module, ma. That is what I'm
So,
telling. You
okay,
have
sir.
access to Java T point.
Yes, sir.
Just go through the Java 3 point and understand the basic concepts of how to write a Java program, how to do the looping statement.
Okay, sir.
Okay, how to write the JUnit program. Till looping statement, at least you should be aware.
Aware.
Focus
Okay,
on
sir.
that. And second thing, whatever I did today, you focus on that. Okay.
Okay, sir. I understood that.
Thank you, guys. We'll catch up
Okay.
tomorrow. Bye. Take care.
Thank